Question number 4. We have MJ has 1/3 box of goldfish. If he shares the box of goldfish evenly with himself and 3 friends, how much of the box of goldfish will each friend get? Okay, and then it says that we're going to move the correct answer to the box to complete the statement. So this part will happen on the computer. So right now I don't really need to worry about that. These are my answer choices that I could choose from. But let's think about what's happening in this story. So I'm going to go back and read again, and it says MJ has 1/3 box of goldfish. 1/3 box. That means he doesn't even have a whole box. He has less than that. So I'm definitely going to be getting some kind of fraction answer here. It says that if he shares the box of goldfish, shares the box, and evenly is my other key word here, evenly, with himself and 3 friends. Himself and 3 friends. How many people are we talking about? We're talking about 4 people. How much of the box of goldfish will each friend get? So since we have MJ doing something like sharing in this problem, my best bet would be to make a window pane so that I can organize my thoughts quickly. The question wants to know how much of the box of goldfish each friend will get, and each will get blank of the box. Well, I have to think about what's happening here. In my story, it's telling me that I'm sharing. He shares, and what is it that he shares? He shares 1/3 with 4 friends. So I'm going to draw my picture kind of down here in this area, and I'm going to start with a box of goldfish. And he doesn't have a whole box of goldfish. He only has 1/3. So I'm going to cut this box of goldfish into thirds. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover, because this is all that he really has. And the part that he has, he's going to share with 4 people. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I uncover, I realize, oh my goodness, this is not cut evenly. So what must I do? I must extend this out for the whole box. And remember, boys and girls, we're getting 1 of those pieces. So I ought to be able to write a fractional amount for what is being shared. And if we think about what is being shared, we need to start with, what does he have? He started with 1/3. He shared it, which means that he's dividing. And when he divides it with his 4 friends, what do we end up having? And I'm just going to go back and confirm my thinking. When we share, this is the page that I would be wanting to reference. I would think about sharing a set by drawing the whole, cutting it, and then writing a fraction that represents the 1 piece that each person would get. That's what I'm going to need to do here. I'm going to be able to do, by labeling my picture, I will be able to get my answer, and I should find an answer in one of these answer choices that matches.